Hey guys! This dude 3D printed trendy helmets for his cat. Frenchman Rémy Vicarini uses special software to create unique helmet designs and then 3D prints them for his furry friend Cathode. The idea was born to ensure the cat's safety during their outings like skiing and long bike rides through the town. Some of these mini helmets are modeled after famous costumes, such as the Darth Vader mask, Iron Man's helmet, and Medieval Knight's helmet, making Cathode one of the cutest feline cosplayers on the internet.